Hey Clarence's Kitchen lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you a very quick and sweet breakfast that you can make under 5 minutes that is packed with nutrients that nourishes the body and also keep you filled till the next meal. Here are the things you need. I firstly soak the grapes with enough water and salt. I went ahead and separate it from its stem. Cut the cucumbers. This is the shape I want to use. You can do it your own way. For the bread slices, I cut off the hard edges. This is optional, you know. I spread the Nutella chocolate on each of the slices. Here you can go for any spread of choice. You can go for peanut butter, margarine, flavored jam, or even cheese. Depends on what you want. For portion control, I use a smaller bowl, pour in the yogurt, and top it with the grapes for natural sweetness. That's it, guys. So for those lazy morning that you don't feel like cooking, this is a go-to. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Bye.